Cancer is the leading cause of death in dogs over the age of 10. Some breeds are more prone to cancer than others. This includes golden retrievers, Bernese mountain dogs, boxers, flat-coated retrievers. Mixed breed dogs, because they come from larger gene pools, are less likely to get genetic-based cancers. Now, we understand how any pet, no matter the breed, whatever, can become such a deep part of the family, and that's why we want you to know about this new treatment that's now available in Jacksonville. Joining me now to talk about this is Dr. Tracy LaDue from Stevo Med and Pet Cure Oncology. This is groundbreaking. Now we're just among a few cities that have this.
Yes, there are 7 facilities in the Pet Cure Oncology team, and I decided to partner with this group because I didn't want to bring this type of technology to the veterinary world without being part of a team.
So what is it and how can it help?
Well, stereotactic radiation is basically targeted radiation. It has sub-millimeter precision, so we can stay off of the normal tissues. I'm a breast cancer survivor, and I got conventional radiation where you get a treatment every day, Monday through Friday for 6 weeks in people, 4 weeks in animals. And you can get a sunburn from that, and it can be painful. It doesn't last very long, but with the stereotactic radiation, we can come off the normal tissues now and prevent the patients from having those types of debilitating side effects.
So what kind of cancers can it treat in dogs?
Well, we can treat pretty much everything that we treat with conventional radiation, but we can treat some that we can't treat with conventional radiation. For example, a brain tumor, or a lung tumor, or tumors in the abdomen, which we couldn't target before because of the normal tissue toxicities that the pet would experience.
And we're seeing the video here right now. Is this one of the treatments?
Yeah, this is a patient that's getting set up for radiation therapy. The lasers are used so that we can repeat the patient in the same position every single treatment. And the other advantage of stereotactic radiation is we can give a higher dose, therefore fewer treatments. So the animals have to be anesthetized less because they have to be perfectly still for this procedure.
Yeah, and I can see. So 1 to 3 treatments.
Yeah.
And this isn't just prolonging life. You're curing cancer this way.
That is exactly what our expectation is. For example, stereotactic radiation is becoming one of the norms for inoperable lung tumor in people. And with Pet Cure Oncology, we have a partially funded clinical trial because we want to prove that this groundbreaking technology is going to be successful and useful for animals as well.
All right, let's talk cost. I lost my dog to leukemia earlier in the year. It was heartbreaking. It was expensive to try and save her life. Yeah. What is the cost of this? Let's talk about it without insurance first.
Well, certainly with the technology, there comes a price. So we're very thankful to have the technology, but it costs something. So a typical stereotactic radiation treatment, 1 to 3 fractions with your CT scan, with immobilization, which is very important so that we can target the tumor perfectly, is $9,500. The conventional radiation tends to be $5,000 to $7,150. And then a palliative course or hospice intent radiation is about $3,500.
If you know you have a dog that is, or a breed that is possibly predisposed to already getting cancer, the insurance, though, with these treatments can cover up to 80%?
Absolutely, and even with the stereotactic radiation, it will cover, but only 1% of pet owners have pet insurance, which is a shame. So we would encourage everybody to go out and get pet insurance. And really, it doesn't matter, Nikki, what breed, because cancer is the #1 cause of death in animals over 10 years old. So it's not a matter of if you're going to need to come see us, it's a matter of when you're going to need to come see us.
That's very true, and I know that you're seeing it more and more. I mean, and you see the real numbers as they walk through the door. Thank you so much for coming in to talk about this, and we hope this really helps you folks at home to know that you do have other alternatives, and seriously take a look into that pet insurance. And if